Hey there, the team over at NINGO has sent over a pair of their steel-toed work boots for me to share with you guys. I think these are going to be great for multiple things, from working in my yard like I use them for, construction sites, or any other heavy-duty tasks that you need. Let's take a closer look at them and I'll share my thoughts. Here's an up-close look at the boots. They are full-grain leather uppers. They have a waterproof membrane and a Kevlar midsole. The boots have thick, deep treads. They're going to be perfect regardless of the terrain. They are made out of a thermoplastic polyurethane that is more abrasive resistant than rubber. These boots are non-skid and are non-conductive to electrical charges. As stated before, the front of the boots are steel-toed and they have a nice rounded toe area to them, which gives me plenty of room for moving around. The back of the boots have a back pull tab for ease of putting the boots on. Here on the inside of the boots, you can see that there's a gel padded heel, and they also have this breathable liner that's going to help wick away moisture. In addition to all those other great features, they're also waterproof, meaning your feet are going to stay nice and dry. I find these boots to fit really well and they're comfortable to wear. I like that padded heel area to keep it cushioned, and that breathable liner is super comfortable. These are great for me in the yard, but they'd also be really good for construction sites, industrial work, and any other work that you feel steel boots are going to be necessary. If you are looking for some new work boots to add to your daily routine, then I hope this video helps you decide on if these are good boots for you.